I don't know if this thing's gonna balance or not. Probably not, but we're just having some fun here. We're gonna go try to pick up the truck in a minute. Okay, we got the Vevor air jack. It's the model 7GA. Its max load is 5 tons. Let's open it up. Pretty excited about this. I've been using crappy old scissor jacks up till this point. This should make my life a lot simpler. Thank you, Vevor. Alright, right off we notice everything's packed nice and styrofoam fitting. No loose parts floating around. Okay, we got an instruction book. Go ahead and pull these parts out so we can see what we're looking at. It's like the handle. Hardware. Handle extension. And we're going to need 2 hands for this. It's quite a unit. Looks like you just got to put the handle on it pretty much. She's ready to roll. Yeah, as you can see, I got crushed stone floor, but I'll just put down a good sheet of 3/4 plywood before I use it. It'll be fine. I'm only lifting a side by side. I'll probably use it out in the driveway for my truck too. Wife's car, daughter's car. So yeah, it just looks like some minor assembly. Put the handle together. Hell yeah, we're excited. Let's do it. She's solid. Wheel her around if you had a good concrete floor, which I don't. Like I say, piece of plywood would do the trick. I got everything opened up. Here's a good look at what's in the box. Now we got to connect the handle to the jack bracket. Hose fed through. This goes in through here from what I understand. And then up here, I can see it. I don't know if you can see it right in there. Get down some at the bottom. The knife and guide it towards the hole. Oh yeah. There she is. So now the hose is running up through there, inside of the handle, comes out, and now we gotta hook it on this valve. We're ready for the first test. As you can see, I'm only using this little 2-gallon air compressor. I'm not sure it's up to the task. It gives off 100 pounds of pressure, so it should work. Connected, no air leaks, that's a good start. Oh, look at that.
Oh, would you look at that? Look at him, he's licking me.
So during shipping, the handles were turned in like that and they're hard to get at, but that's closed, this is open, and that's closed. So for operation, you can leave them out like this. Wicket. It's supposed to lift 18 inches. Looks like it's about that. Got my tape measure here, but pretty soon we're going to try to jack the side-by-side up with it. And to release it, you just once there's some weight on it from the machine, I'm sure it'll go down a lot quicker. We got the jack all put together and it's functional. The only thing left to do is put it to the test. Now the X3 is in the shop getting a new steering rack and carrier bearing, drive shaft. Get rid of that squeak that you've been listening to if you've been watching the videos. So what we're gonna do is start off easy. We're gonna try to lift up this 1988 Honda 4Trax 300. Let's do it. I think I got this thing figured out. Storage mode, operational mode, and placement mode, or maneuvering mode. Also, I noticed if you want to pick it up, you just push down on the handle, grab here, and then lift. Looks about center. I don't know if this thing's gonna balance or not. Probably not, but we're just having some fun here. We're gonna go try to pick up the truck in a minute. Again, we're only running off the little 2-gallon tank. I don't know if it's gonna balance, but let's do it. and gentle. We'll let that air up so you ain't gonna listen to it, then we'll continue our lift. Here we go. She's a little tipsy, but she's lifting it. There we go. I call that a successful lift. Let's try the truck. That thing is awesome. Here, let me show you what I was using. Good old scissor jacks, what? Oh man. Again. Thank you, Vevor. Now we're gonna put it to the test on my Chevy Silverado 1500. Still just using the little 2-gallon compressor. We're not even plugged in, we're just testing it off the air that's in the tank. Starting to lift it, needs some more air. Let's let it out. Alright, this time we pulled it back some on the frame and added a 2x4 spacer and plugged into power. See what happens. The compressor's definitely too small, but she's lifting the truck. We'll let her charge up and go at her again. Get this wheel off the ground. Need more power, just need more power. There she is. She's free. Shut up. Check out Vevor.com. Get your 10-ton air jack. It picks things up and it puts them down. Thank you, Vevor.
Check him out, Scotian Off-Road on YouTube.
They call me a god.